Lesson 6. Let's read final consonants. After combining a consonant and a vowel, adding another consonant at the bottom is called the final consonant. Let's practice attaching this final consonant together. This one is a little harder, so you are going to have to pay a lot of attention from now. Let me give you an example. 미음, 아, 미음, 맘, mom. Repeat after me. mom. 시옷, 니은, 선, 시옷, 니은, 선. 니은 is a final consonant. 비읍, 미음, 붐. 디귿, 이응, 동. 기역, 각. 맘, 선, 각. This is how you attach the final consonant. Final consonant and last consonant, the same meaning. 받침, we call it 받침. The consonants in the yellow border are the consonants that are also used as final consonants. This one. While the consonants 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒 are not used as final consonants. The final consonants has only 7 pronunciation sound. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 이응. I'll give you an example. If you look at the diagram above, you can see that even though the various consonants in the yellow border are used as supports, there are only 7 pronunciation sounds. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 이응. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, and final consonant, last consonant, as 이응. Here's an example. Number 1. The sound of 기역, final consonant. 기역, 쌍기역, 키역. The 기역, 쌍기역, and 키역 final consonants make the sound 기역. All of them sounds 기역. 복, 박, and 부억 all sound with 기역 pronunciation. Even though last consonant there are 쌍기역 and 키역, however, all sounds like 기역 pronunciation. 기역, 쌍기역, 키역, 책. 북, 박, outside. 부엌, kitchen. 책, 박, 부엌 all sounds with 기역 pronunciation. 책, 박, 부엌. Number 2. The sound of 니은 final consonant. 니은 final consonant is pronounced the same as 니은 final consonant. 산, mountain. 안, inside. 산, 안, inside are all 니은 pronunciation. 산, 안. 니은, 산, 안. Number 3. The sound of 디귿 final consonant. 디귿. 디귿, 시옷, 쌍시옷, 지읒, 치읒, 티귿, and 히읗 final consonants make the sound 디귿. For example, 곧, immediately, 곧, 맛, flavor, 낮, afternoon, and 꽃, flower. 곧, 맛, 낮, 꽃 all sound with 디귿 pronunciation. All of them. 디귿, 시옷, 쌍시옷, 지읒, 치읒, 티귿, 히읗, 곧, 맛, 낮, 꽃 all sound with 디귿 pronunciation. Number 4. The sound of 리을 final consonant. 리을 final consonant makes the sound 리을 as it is. 알, egg, 달, moon, 교실, classroom, 알, 달, 교실, all sound with real pronunciation. Number 5, the sound of mium final consonant, mium. Mium final consonant makes the sound mium as it is. 밤, night, 잠, sleep, 아침, morning, all sound with mium pronunciation. 밤, night, 엄마, mommy, 아침, morning, mium, all sound with mium pronunciation. Number 6, the sound of pube final consonant. Pube, final consonants make the sound pube as it is. 밥, rice, 잎, leaf, all sound with pube pronunciation. 밥, rice, 집, house, pube, all sound with pube pronunciation. Number 7, the sound of iung final consonant. 강, river, 방, room, 강. iung final consonant makes the sound iung as it is. 강, river, 방, room, all sound with iung pronunciation. So let's review once again. Let's read it aloud once again. 책, 박, 부엌, 산, 안, 곳, 맛, 낫, 꽃, 알, 달, 교실, 밤, 엄마, 아침, 밥, 집, 강, 방. If you know the 7 pronunciations for the final consonants above, it is easy to read the final consonant. As you practice final consonants, I'm sure you'll find them a bit challenging, but you don't need to perfect your pronunciation of final consonants this time. So don't put too much pressure on yourself. So far, we have learned how to read Korean vowels, consonants, and final consonants. Now that we've covered the basics of how to read in Korean, we'll supplement the reading with various words. See you next class.